Last week, the IRS pushed back the tax filing deadline for a month. But you have to be careful because not all tax filing deadlines have been pushed back. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from Freedom Tax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you're new to this channel, we provide strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. Today, we wanted to make a quick video about important 2021 tax deadline changes that have occurred for this tax season. Now, the IRS did push back the April 15th personal tax return deadline to May 17th of 2021. But you have to be aware that not all tax deadlines have been pushed back, especially several state personal taxes and business taxes for self-employed, C Corps and S Corps, and even partnerships. So we wanted to do this quick video to review all the important tax deadlines that you should be compliant with so you don't get a penalty from the IRS. So the first one is the personal tax return, okay? Usually the personal tax return deadline is April 15th, okay? Now, they have pushed back this tax returns personal deadline to May 17th, 2021. Now, you can always file an extension to file your personal taxes to get an additional 6 months. But remember that there are two IRS penalties. There's a penalty for filing late, and there's a penalty for paying late. And the extension only covers the filing late penalty. It does not cover the paying late penalty. What does this mean? Let's say that May 17th comes around and you haven't done your personal tax return. Even if you file an extension, that the extension will cover until October 15th, so you can file your personal taxes, your payment due date is May 17th, 2021. So even though you don't file on time, you at least have to send the extension with some kind of payment. Because if not, when you pay your taxes later, you're gonna get hit with penalties and interest, okay? And important to note that for the personal tax returns, even though the IRS pushed back the personal tax return until May 17th, not all states pushed back that date. There are still several states that want you to file on April 15th. So talk to your tax professional and make sure that the state you are living in has also changed the tax filing date for your personal tax return. Also, for all of you who make quarterly estimated tax payments, the first quarter 2021 estimated tax payment date is still April 15th, 2021. So to summarize on the personal tax return, May 17th, 2021 is your deadline to file. October 15th, 2021 is your deadline to file if you file an extension. May 17th, 2021 is the deadline to make your tax liability payment. But also check with your state what's the deadline for your state. So that's the tax deadline summary for your personal tax return. Now let's go to business tax returns, and let's start with C corporations. C corporations are businesses that file Form 1120 as their business tax return. So this is their 2021 tax deadline for C corporations. April 15th, it's the deadline to file. Okay, this date has not been pushed back. So if your business files Form 1120, your deadline is April 15th, 2021. October 15th, if you is the deadline to file with an extension. April 15th, 2021 is your deadline to make payment of your corporate tax liabilities. And again, check with your state if your state has different tax deadlines for your business. Now, another type of business are S corporations. S corporations are corporations or businesses that file their taxes on Form 1120-S. This is a little bit different. The deadline for the S corporation was March 15th of 2021. So if your S corp has not filed yet, because today is March 23rd, then you are already late, okay? Now remember, even though you have to file on March 15th, if you file an extension to file your S corporation, then September 15th is your deadline to file with the extension. Now, remember that S corporations don't pay corporate taxes. Whatever tax liability the S corp has, it flows through the owner's personal tax return. So that the deadline to make the payment on your S corporation is the same day that you need to pay your personal tax liability. So it's going to be May 17th, 2021 is the deadline to make your tax liability payment for your S corporation. And once again, check with your state's deadline requirement. Now, another business are partnerships. Partnerships are businesses that file Form 1065. These are the same as the S corporations because the partnerships, the same as the S corporations, they flow through the owner's personal tax return. So the deadline to file your 1065 form for 2020 was March 15th, 2021. Now, if you filed an extension, you have until September 15th, 2021 to file your Form 1065 with an extension. The deadline to pay your tax liability payment for your partnership is May 17th, 2021 because you need to pay it with your personal tax return. And once again, check with your state's deadline for partnerships. Now, what about self-employed people or single member LLCs who file a Schedule C? Okay, so remember that the Schedule C is a form that goes inside your personal tax return. So the deadline for the Schedule C is the same as your personal tax return. So the deadline to file your business Schedule C is May 17th, 2021. If you file an extension to file your personal taxes later, you have until October 15th, 2021 with the extension. And the deadline to make your payment for the Schedule C is May 17th, 2021. And once again, check with your state's deadline. Okay, so we hope this has been useful. Now you have all the different tax deadlines for this 2021 tax season. Remember that we are a full service accounting and tax firm where we can help you with your personal and business taxes. This is our contact information. You can call our office at 407-344-1012 or visit our website, freedomtaxfl.com. Also remember that we are part of Freedom Group, where we not only do accounting and taxes, we can help you with immigration, real estate, insurance, and financial planning. Thank you once again for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with other business owners and watch the suggested video below. All right. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.